In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you enable predictive text on your keyboard. Enabling predictive text on your iPhone keyboard enhances your typing experience by increasing speed and accuracy. It offers word suggestions based on your typing patterns, reducing the number of keystrokes and minimizing errors. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the Settings page, select on General. Scroll down onto the option of Keyboard. Make sure to enable this option of Predictive. When enabled, commonly used phrases will appear on your keyboard while texting. This streamlines the typing process, making it faster and more efficient. That's how easy it is to enable predictive text on iPhone keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.